Hello, thank you for taking some time to view this video. I'm Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. The point of this video is one, to increase your online presence, to increase your business, and two is to compare your website to a local competitor website to see if you could outrank them on Google. So I'll talk about three things, one, content, two, backlinks, three, citations. So you could take these tips and tricks and instill them in your own website to outrank your competitor. Or if you want to talk anything further about that, feel free to reach me, either email, text, or phone call. But either way, like it or not, I appreciate some feedback on this video because I help a lot of local businesses and I make a lot of these custom videos. I just want to get better at helping some local businesses. All right, so let's get started. So first I said to talk about content. So on content, you want anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and number of your keywords. Just going through your website, you have a beautiful website here, like the layouts, like the links. So you have a lot of content on there already. I would increase some of the content on there just to push that through Google's eyes, because the more content you have and the keywords you have, the better rank you'll be on Google. So a keyword is anything someone might type in into Google looking for a particular service or product. So in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want for your website to be found. For instance, if I go to Google here, one I picked service was drain cleaning, since that's part of your name. So I typed in drain cleaning Kansas City, and when you do a search, this is what comes up. So these are ads. That's another conversation. And this is called the map pack business profile. We'll talk about that with citations. But these are organics down here. So when you type in drain cleaning Kansas City, the goal is to be at least on the first page for that particular service. So as you scroll down, you can see you're not on the first page, but you can do simple things on your website to get ranked, to get on that first page. Because very rarely consumers will go to page 2 to look for a certain service. So you want to be on that first page. So your top competitor here, I picked, and really we don't look at the listings such as Angie's List. There's other ones that might pop on here, Yelp. So I just look for the first local business. So here's your top competitor. So if we get close to him, the goal is to be, if not outrank him, to be close to him, to get on that first page. And I picked AB May Plumbing. So looking at your content and focus on keywords, this is called Ahrefs. So this is a tool we use just to do a deeper dive into websites. So this is your website here, and these are your numbers. So we talked about keywords. So you have 21 keywords on your website, and that helps with people finding your site. So obviously you want a high search volume here. So higher the number, the better. So you got some good keywords here with 400 search volume here. Ace Pipe Cleaning, Cleaning Plus, scrolling down. So you're on a good start with some keywords. But just comparing that to your competitor's website, and here's AB May's website. So as you can scroll down, you see this person has a lot of content on there that's really helping them be ranked higher on that first Google page. But compared to your keywords, this website has 176 keywords. So that's really helping him getting on top of the Google search. You can see this one, drain plumber. That's very high search volume, so that's a good one. Main drain cleaner. So he has a lot of good keywords here that's helping him be ranked. But very easily, you could take some of these high ranking keywords and put them on your own website to get closer to him on that search volume. So then let's talk about backlinks. So backlinks is anywhere where you find one website linking to your website. These links act like an endorsement of your website, and it helps Google build trust in your website. So kind of think of it as a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the better. But keep in mind, though, not all backlinks are created equal. You want other plumbing services websites to link to your website to give you that trust volume. It doesn't help to have like insurance companies or restaurants linking to your website. It just doesn't do anything for you. So here's your numbers here. So you have 22 backlinks and 8 different domains linking to your website. Comparing to your local competitor or top competitor, this is AB May's numbers, 11 backlinks. So you actually have more backlinks than him, and he has 6 referring domains. But what's really pushing this competitor to the top is his keywords. So you do a couple things. Keep increasing your backlinks. That helps you being ranked. But definitely I would focus on your keywords on your website to outrank AB May. And then finally, let's talk about citations. So citations is where your business name, number, and address are shown exactly on your Google Business Profile. So citations help you rank in this map pack here, and extremely important for local businesses. So kind of like the organics, people don't go to page 2 to look for a service. Very few consumers will click here for more businesses. So the goal is to be in the top 3 or 4. Sometimes I see 3, sometimes 4, but the goal is to be in the top 3 to get on this first page when it comes to citations. And citations include directories, and you've heard of a lot of them, Yelp, Angie, Lists, Expertise, BBB, hundreds of others. So the idea is that your brand begins to be found on Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is you to outrank these. And that's about citations. So I hope you use these tips and tricks. You could use them yourself to outrank your competitor. Again, if you'd like to speak about anything further with these tips and tricks or anything else, feel free to reach out to me. And as I said before, if you leave me some feedback on this video, that helps me get better at shooting these screencasts and helping local businesses. And I hope you enjoy that. And cheers. Go Chiefs. Have a great day.